Hi everyone, I'm Shreya from Online Help Guide, and in this video I'll show you how to fix any Facebook bug. Is your Facebook acting up? Let's troubleshoot and fix the issue with these simple steps. First of all, check your internet connection. Bugs often stem from a weak or unstable connection. To test your connection, open your browser and then search for speed test and run it. Click on the first option and then click on the Go option. Tap once again. As you can see, my internet connection is pretty good, but if your internet is slow or unstable, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Step 2 to check whether the Facebook is down or not is to check your Facebook server. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end, it's Facebook's servers. Here's how to check it. Go back and then click on the search button and then search for down detector. Click on the first option. Then click on the search button and then search for Facebook app. If you see spike in outages, Facebook servers are likely experiencing problems. In this case, wait a few hours. They usually fix such issues quickly. Another reason for Facebook being down might be corrupted cache or outdated apps, which can cause bugs. To clear the cache in Android, go back and then click on the settings button, then search for apps option and then click on apps. Then choose app management and search for Facebook app. And click on storage uses and then tap on clear cache. And here's how the cache will be cleared. And that's how you can fix any Facebook bug. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos.